year 2026 has redefined what it means to live and travel in luxury. For those who demand not just transportation but a statement of style, status, and unmatched comfort, two names have emerged at the very top: Brabus and Rolls. Both brands, long known for their elite automotive craftsmanship, have ventured deep into the motorhome space, crafting marvels that are more akin to five-star penthouse suites on wheels. In this video, we're diving into the two most extraordinary motorhomes of 2026, the Brabus Motorhome and the Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a battle not of price but of prestige. Let's begin with Brabus, a name that roars power, performance, and aggressive design. Their 2026 motorhome isn't just a mobile living space. It's a fortress of performance wrapped in luxury. Based on a heavily modified Mercedes-Benz platform, the Brabus Motorhome is a perfect blend of off-road capability and ultra-modern comfort. From the outside, it looks like a stealth machine. Matte black or deep brushed steel finishes with massive off-road tires, LED light bars integrated into the roofline, and a ground clearance that rivals top-tier overland. But once you step inside, everything changes. The interior is where Brabus makes you feel like royalty in a space shuttle. Carbon fiber detailing, brushed aluminum trim, and Alcantara suede line every inch. The floors are made from custom marble resin composite, giving a feel of solid stone without the weight. The driver cockpit resembles the command center of a luxury yacht. Dual digital displays, Brabus branded steering, and custom switchgear. Behind the cockpit, the living area opens up like a lounge in a luxury resort. There's a modular sofa that can convert into a bed with the touch of a button. And next to it, a 65-inch 8K OLED screen rises from the counter at the push of a fingerprint-activated sensor. The kitchen in the Brabus Motorhome is a chef's dream, featuring a built-in induction cooktop, a compact dishwasher, full-size refrigerator, and self-cleaning convection oven. Every appliance is voice-controlled via the Brabus AI system. The cabinets open automatically and are backlit with ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. Brabus calls it smart living on the move. The bathroom is more of a spa chamber than a regular motorhome lavatory. Heated marble flooring, rainfall shower with 6 side jets, and a Brabus signature black gold vanity mirror with built-in skin analysis system. It even dispenses skincare products automatically based on environmental conditions. At the rear, the bedroom is nothing short of presidential. A king-size bed with memory foam technology adjusts to your spine. Temperature-controlled sheets and noise-canceling walls ensure you sleep like you're in a luxury bunker. There's also a retractable ceiling window for stargazing, complete with electrochromic dimming. Now let's glide over to the Rolls-Royce Motorhome. Unlike Brabus, which takes an aggressive, rugged approach, Rolls-Royce floats into the motorhome arena with sheer elegance and poise. The exterior design is unmistakably Rolls long, sweeping bottlines, chrome accents, and the spirit of ecstasy leading the way. The paintwork is done in multi-layer pearlescent finishes, customized for each client. Rolls-Royce says no to motorhomes will ever be the same. As you approach the vehicle, automatic steps emerge, and the doors open with a soft sigh. Inside, you're welcomed by tranquility. It's like entering a grand manor on wheels. Hand-stitched silk upholstery lines the walls, and the flooring is made from sustainable African wengewood. The cabin lighting mimics natural sunlight, adjusting based on the time of day. It's not just about seeing, it's about feeling. The Rolls-Royce cockpit is minimalist but incredibly intuitive. Everything is controlled by gesture or soft-touch panels, designed to be effortless. The leather-wrapped steering wheel floats in your hands, and the dash is embedded with mother of pearl detailing. Rear passengers can close off the cockpit entirely, with a privacy partition that doubles as a digital art gallery, displaying rotating pieces from famous collections worldwide. The lounge area of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome is designed more like a drawing room. Plush, deep seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions. A champagne chiller between the seats, motorized mahogany tables, and a bookshelf with hand-selected literature add to the heritage feel. Rolls-Royce calls it the traveling estate. The kitchen is discreet, hidden behind sliding panels of Italian glass. A crystal induction cooktop, microwave convection hybrid, fridge designed by Sub-Zero, and a self-pouring wine cabinet stocked with curated global selections. Even the utensils are Rolls-Royce branded. And if you need a personal chef, the motorhome integrates with your calendar and can arrange one at your next stop. The bathroom is a marvel of refinement. Heated stone floor tiles, soft-closed drawers, gold-rimmed vanity, and a shower that releases therapeutic steam scented with Rolls-Royce essential oils. It also has built-in voice therapy and light relaxation settings to help you decompress after a long day on the road. The master bedroom is straight out of a luxury boutique hotel. Cashmere upholstered headboard, silk-lined blankets, a surround sound system developed in collaboration with Bang & Olufsen, and a mood-adjustable ceiling that turns into a virtual sky. It even simulates sunsets and sunrises according to your travel route and schedule. There's also a built-in walk-in closet with auto-folding wardrobe racks and a mirrored dressing space where Brabus offers adventure and performance wrapped in military-grade elegance. Rolls-Royce delivers floating serenity with aristocratic detail. Both motorhomes are equipped with solar-assisted battery systems, satellite communication, ultra-fast Starlink internet, and the ability to travel for over 1,000 kilometers without refueling. While the Brabus focuses on self-sufficiency in remote locations, Rolls-Royce is more about seamless elegance and curated stops. Think vineyards, private airstrips, and luxury campsites. The driving experience also differs. Brabus offers a turbocharged diesel V8 or an optional hybrid electric powertrain producing nearly 900 horsepower. It has independent suspension, adaptive terrain mapping, and bulletproof armor if desired. On the other hand, Rolls-Royce features a fully electric dual motor setup with magnetic suspension that reads the road ahead and compensates for even the slightest bumps. It glides rather than drives. In terms of price, the Brabus motorhome starts at around $2.8 million, but can reach upwards of $4 million depending on configuration. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome starts at $3.5 million and easily crosses $5 million with customization, including personal art installations, gold trim options, and bespoke Scent INF users. So who are these motorhomes made for? The Brabus model is tailored for the ultra-wealthy adventurer, someone who wants to conquer mountain passes by day and sip single malt by a fire pit at night. It's for CEOs who crave adrenaline, influencers who live off-grid in style, and royals who want privacy with power. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome is designed for a different kind of traveler. It's for those who prefer the world to revolve quietly. Around them, art collectors, business magnates, retired legends, people who want the road to reflect their taste for elegance. Ultimately, both vehicles redefine what it means to travel. They erase the idea that you need to leave home to explore the world. Because in these motorhomes, the world comes to you wrapped in either the fierce armor of Brabus or the silk-gloved hand of Rolls-Royce. So which one would you choose? The bold brute force of Brabus or the timeless luxury of Rolls-Royce? Comment below and let us know. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxurious innovations, exclusive sneak peeks, and deep dives into the world of futuristic travel. Until next time, keep dreaming, because luxury has wheels now, and it's more beautiful than ever.